In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web page using Microsoft Sway in just 5 minutes. Microsoft Sway is a versatile and user-friendly tool that allows you to craft visually appealing and engaging content quickly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Sway. Once you're on the Sway homepage, look for the Sign-in option. It's usually prominent and easy to locate. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be signed in automatically. If not, you'll need to create an account. Click on Create One, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address, set a password, and provide some additional information to set up your account. It's a straightforward process, and soon you'll be ready to dive in. Now that you've signed in, it's time to start building. Click on Create New to begin crafting your web page from the ground up. You'll be greeted by a clean slate, ready for your unique content. Let's begin by titling your Sway. You'll see a placeholder text labeled Title Your Sway in the first card. Click on it and type in your page's title. This sets the tone for your web page and gives visitors a sense of what to expect. To add more content, find the plus icon at the bottom of any card. This is your gateway to enriching your web page. You can insert a wide range of content here, such as text, images, videos, or even links, depending on what you want your audience to see. Feel free to experiment to make your web page both informative and visually engaging. Sway organizes content using cards, and a convenient feature is the drag-and-drop functionality. Rearrange your cards to your liking, or group them together to create cohesive sections. This helps in structuring your web page clearly, providing a seamless experience for your visitors as they navigate through your content. Next, click on the Design tab at the top of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Under Styles, explore the pre-made themes, color palettes, and font styles available. These options allow you to customize the look and feel of your web page, enabling you to create a design that's truly your own. If you're feeling adventurous or indecisive, click on the Remix button. Sway will surprise you with a random design and layout suggestion that often brings refreshing results. Consider how you want your audience to view your web page. Choose from 3 options: a vertical scroll where they scroll down to view content, a horizontal scroll for a sideways experience, or the slideshow mode for a traditional presentation feel. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to put it out into the world. Click the Share button in the top right corner to publish. Choose your sharing permissions. If you're aiming for a public web page accessible to everyone, select Anyone with a link. You'll receive a link that you can easily share with your audience. For more advanced use, consider obtaining an embed code to integrate your Sway directly within an existing website. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a beautiful and functional web page using Microsoft Sway. Thanks for watching and happy swaying.